Right ko kasi. Right.
Ang ganda ng sound dito ah. Iba yung sound sa labas, iba yung sound.
Kulog.
Game. Give me a...
Try lang wala munang as in take.
try lang muna.
Try.
Walk
One try.
through with camera.
Go.
Okay. Everyone take your place. Kat, you stay here kasi you have the...
Johnny, kailangan ka rin dito sa loob.
Opo, ma'am. Louie, you film this because it's a hard shot. It's a
Yeah,
hard shot.
I am.
Very good. Okay, ready?
Hindi, pa? Try.
Wait.
Joycey.
Internalize. Mag-asawa kayo, friend.
Uy, baby!
Game.
Baby!
Uy, dapat lalaki sa'yo, right? Ready pa lang, diba?
Kailangan makita din yung ulo nila, Mar.
Sige, game na. Testing, run through. Scene 1.
Testing na.
Who's gonna say the scene 1, take 1?
Ako.
Okay, game.
Scene 1, take 1, action.
Uy, Joycey, yung clap.
Kasi siya yung nagsasid.
But she's holding it. Sige, si Joycey na lang. Joycey will say it na lang.
Okay, scene 1, take 1, action.
So awkward without music.
Uy, ba't ka nakasmile ay sa'ya?
Ikaw having good dreams kasi.
Sige, wag kang umiti, my friend.
Yan na.
Tulog ka.
Wait lang.
Okay, zoom out. Zoom out.
Ayan, okay na.
Ring. Lalanto namin buo. Ring. Ayos na tayo, ayos ng buhok, bangon. I say, pasok CR. Buksan mo yung pinto.
Joycey, huwag ka dyan, Joycey.
Buksan mo yung pinto, kuha mo yung bathrobe mo. Ito, friend. Ayan. Isaiah, bangon. Punta sa CR.
You're gonna dub over with music at this part naman.
Yeah. Punta sa CR.
Is the camera reflecting?
Yeah, that's right.
No, there.
I know.
CR, ganyan. Ayos buhok, ganyan. Ring. Diyan ka lang, Christine. Hindi ka alis dyan. Sa CR ka na lang forever. Ring, Isaiah. Phone. Rush.
Uy!
Friend, tapos upo dito. Upo ka dyan.
Yan.
Yan, sakto. Hello.
Hello, baby. Does Christine, you look here? Parang you heard him on the phone.
Tinitingnan mo kasi.
Nandito pa siya. Sige, bye-bye.
Christine, you look here. Parang you
Christine,
heard him
parang-
on the phone. Diba?
Pagaling tayo.
Yan, game.
Siya lang, Isaiah. Ito din eh.
Baby. Okay, go down.
Pagka ano mo, baby. Tapos dire-diretso ka na, hindi ka nalilingon ulit. Bye-bye. Phone down. Punta sa CR.
Music.
Punta ka rin sa CR.
Like it lang.
Tapos si Christine. Lalabas si Christine, di ba?
If you're gonna say goodbye to her,
Bababay
just
siya.
parang beso-beso. Diba, that she wants to kiss, pero he's gonna leave na.
He's gonna change clothes pa.
He needs to change eh.
Hindi, we're not gonna show it.
Yeah, pero when he beso, dapat di siya naka-pajama. Iba na
Di ba ang,
Hindi, straight.
di ba ang comedy doon? Kaya pag beso niya,
Hindi,
mag-music
wala
na
na.
lang. Ay,
Wala
wala na. Sayang.
Beso na lang, tapos he'll go straight out.
Tapos
Okay.
dala-dala yung...
Assume na lang, he's gonna dress up. Assume na he's gonna dress up.
So when he says bye-bye, naka-pajama ka.
Yeah. Yeah.
So hindi na siya mapapalit. Beso, bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Meron tayong
Well, you
tape.
practice it para...
Yes, meron tayong tape. Dikit natin to para alam na.
Parang ano, Isaiah, from the back na lang. Where she wants to-
Admin tape daw.
Admin, tape na! Admin!
Actually, meron akong dala. Tape ba? Tape?
Oo!
Admin, tape!